fucking truck over here. Got some windshield tint on there. A dub on there. 20 on there. 5 in the back. It's not crazy. I mean, it's sitting directly in the sun. And, like, you can't really... I mean, you could kind of see in person. Like, you could see in there. It's not crazy, but... You know, you see me, you know what I'm saying? You know, stickers and shit. But, you know, yeah. Definitely need a cow hood on this bitch. Threw some new rims on there. It was free, so, you know, take them. And it's, like, staggered. So, it's like, this joint is smaller. Probably can't even tell on the camera. It's a little bit lower back here, I feel like. But it's not bad, bro. I threw a little sticker on there, you know. Taking my mans and shit, you know. This shit too. Fucking cut out some of that rot. I still obviously see what the fuck that looks like. Still looks kind of nasty, but yeah, it won't cut my leg when I try to get in that shit though. Just step forward. And on this side, I didn't really cut it because the cord didn't reach. I just kind of fucking bent that up, thinking I was gonna be able to cut it. And you see, you know. Look under there, it's just like, man, rotted the fuck out. Yeah, I don't know. I have the covers to go over that shit, but I want to cut a lot of that shit out before I do that. I feel like I don't want to just throw that shit over the rust and then, yeah. Yes, I know. Still got the fucked up headlights. Stock boys in there. Random ass fucking whatever. Movie. Definitely gotta do headlights, but nor here nor there. Oh yeah. Other fucking tip fell off, so painted a turn down from AutoZone's like $9 or Advanced Auto. Painted a turn down, just fucking threw it on there because the truck doesn't really matter. Oh yeah. Fuck it. First off, new exhaust. That'll come later. Sitting a little high. I'll put the shackle or this little kit on there. This one's already on there. It actually looks significantly lower than the other side. It's not even clamped all the way down. So I'm gonna lift this up, take the wheel off, clamp all the way down, and we'll compare. Essentially, all you're doing is just tightening this up. Oh. Well, it would help if I put the size on. Dumb shit, bro. Cheap ass lowering kit installed.
Oh my god, my Shayla, my Shayla.
This bitch at the gas station. About that. We'll weld that soon. Don't you worry. Yeah. We got this nice put together rocker panel that I don't want to cut off. Just fucking jack in the back.